In this video, you'll learn how to connect Zoho CRM to Power BI. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully set up an integration that allows you to visualize your Zoho CRM data in Power BI. Begin by navigating to the Zapier website. Use your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Zapier. If you are not already signed in, a prompt will appear asking for your login credentials. Once you are logged in, locate the menu on the left side of the screen, click on the option labeled Zaps. This will take you to the section where you can create and manage your automation workflows. Next, use the search bar at the top of the Zaps page to type in Zoho to Power BI. This action will display relevant templates for your integration. Select the relevant option that matches your requirements. After selecting the template, click on the button that says Start Building. This will direct you to a new screen where you can begin setting up your integration. Be patient as it may take a moment for the new page to load. Once the new screen appears, you will see an option to select Zoho CRM. Click on this option to proceed with the integration setup. This step is crucial as it establishes the data source for your Power BI visuals. Next, you will need to click on the option labeled Trigger Event. This action allows you to define what event in Zoho CRM will trigger the data transfer to Power BI. From the list of available trigger events, select New Contact. This setting ensures that every time a new contact is created in Zoho CRM, the information will be sent to Power BI for visualization. You will need to repeat the selection of new contact to confirm your choice. This redundancy ensures that your trigger is properly set up and recognized by the system. Now, locate and click on the option for Microsoft Power BI. This choice will specify that your integration will send data to Power BI, allowing for effective data analysis and reporting. Once you have selected Power BI, click on the option for Action Event. This selection defines what action will occur in Power BI as a result of the trigger from Zoho. From the available action events, choose the option labeled Add Dataset Row. This action will enable new data entries to be appended to your dataset in Power BI. You will need to click on the option for Add the Dataset Row once again to confirm your action. This confirmation ensures that the setup is finalized without any errors. Next, select the option labeled Account. This step is important as it allows you to specify which Power BI account will receive the data from Zoho CRM. Finally, click on the button that says Connect Microsoft Power BI. This action will initiate the connection between Zoho CRM and Power BI, allowing data transfer to occur smoothly. After completing these steps, your integration should be successfully configured. Ensure that you monitor the connection to verify that data is being transferred correctly. Regularly check both your Zoho CRM and Power BI accounts to confirm that the integration is functioning as expected. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.